Businesses who are using WhatsApp just for chatting with your customer will gonna lose in 2026 because WhatsApp is a ultimate sales tool which you are missing out. Here are the 3 ways you can automate your whole sales funnel using WhatsApp. First of all, you can create confirmation messages to the leads who are coming into your funnel so that they remember you whenever your salespeople call them. Secondly, create a drip campaign so the new leads which is coming into the funnel will know about your product or your services or about your business. So whenever your salespeople calls them, they already know about the product or the services. The third and the most important one, click to WhatsApp ads, from which the customers see the ad and directly lands on your WhatsApp API number. And later on, you can set up a WhatsApp chatbot which will ultimately nurture or answer the queries of the customers. By this way, you can create a whole sales funnel on the WhatsApp, and later on at the end, you will get a hot lead just to get converted.